Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to hide hashtag value true errors in Google Sheets without breaking your formulas. This keeps your sheets clean and professional. Here is my sample data. Notice how this cell returns this div error. Or if you have text in a number formula, you might see value error. Step 2. Wrap your formula with IFERROR. The easiest way? You can find this formula in the description, or show 0 instead of blank. Use this one instead. Step 3. Example with text. Suppose enter this one. Normally works, but or try this one if it doesn't for you. Might give value error if A2 has something unexpected. Wrap it. Like this and that should solve the problem for you. The error disappears, leaving a clean sheet. Step 4. Alternative. If plus is error. Old school method. Is this formula, and again, it can be found in the video description. Does the same thing but is longer. If error is simpler and preferred. Pro tip. You can use if error for any formula, like facciamo. Some formulas. VLOOKUP/index/match. Concatenate/text formulas. Keeps sheets neat without breaking formulas. Also, important. Hiding errors does not fix the underlying problem. It just prevents ugly value error from showing. Always check why the error occurs for important calculations. That's how you hide value errors in Google Sheets. Formula is in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.